fireworks?
I'll be honest, I can't see this shit straight.
God damn.
Me either. Dare.
It's alright, y'all be on YouTube saying that.
What?
That post is on YouTube.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie.
How many alcohol drinks have you guys had?
It's like crooked.
That's what she said. Well, that's definitely going on
I'm
YouTube.
done.
Well, I downloaded it. I don't know how much in it, so. You see that, Mama?
That was a heart.
Hey, that one made a heart.
I was like, was it gonna pop?
Like a cherry?
Babe, shut up.
Your cherry?
Shut up.
I know she's watching.
Your cherry boy.
Babe, why are you laying on the ground?
Cool.
Because I can't sit up.
You like watching the fireworks, Daddy?
Daddy. Look. You see him?
Then you gotta turn your flashlight
Who the
on.
fuck got a goddamn flashlight on?
You see him?
Well, you gotta get your fireworks kids while you got the chance.
Remember, better get that firework. Never mind.
Say it.
I forgot this is going on YouTube.
Look at Daddy.
I am not about to say that on YouTube. I get in trouble.
You're gonna be like,
That would get banned.
you're gonna wake up the next morning, Carl. You have been banned from YouTube for inappropriate
He's gonna be
content.
banned on COD. He's gonna be banned on YouTube.
Oh, but it's alright.
Damn.
That actually hasn't gotten banned on COD lately.
What?
That's why because Dad's been watching his
Oh,
naughty
I just
mouth.
put my hand down, honey.
Hmm?
No, I was putting my arm down.
I feel bad
This
for
way.
they went flying by right now.
I told you let me pop it, but you won't let me pop it.
No,
So I
Whoa.
don't hear you
Pop. It
complaining.
ain't ready.
So I ain't gonna hear you
Watch this.
Maybe
complaining.
tomorrow. When
I
I
put
get
my arm
home.
down so I
I'm
can
gonna
wrap
get
around.
needles.
You ain't.
Needles?
I don't care.
That's big.
What the fuck you mean needles?
Who the hell you get out with?
I said, what the fuck you mean needles?
Grab my drink. See him, Mom? What? Go get him.
That one made a smiley face.
Who's in the phone?
Alright, where's the grand finale? Dad, you know how cool this would be if we were actually down there? Mm-hmm.
No, it would be too loud for Everly.
Oh, yeah.
You'd be looking straight up.
There's your
We'll go to
finale.
Disney and see the
That's
fireworks.
not your finale, you special needs.
I wouldn't want to be down there. There's way too many people down there.
We see the fireworks at Disney when we go.
They have fireworks every night.
Disney has fireworks every night.
No.
We just accomplished that.
And plus we'll have passes.
You see him, Mama?
We're gonna have to get every
She's like, Mimi, this is
other
very
person.
interesting.
Just like a little
Michael, hold
print.
that for me.
And we'll go to
We gotta get Evie some Mickey Mouse ears when we go to Disney.
the Universal Studio. We gotta get our own little cloak and a little wizard hat
I'm
and
getting
a
me
Harry
a
Potter
Harry-
one.
I'm getting me a Harry Potter outfit too.
Ain't that right, Daddy?
Yeah.
She gonna dress up like a
Yeah,
little
I
Harry
wanna
Potter
do
wizard.
What?
Make my own wand.
I wanna make my own wand. I wanna make it pink, sparkle.
Delmer, she wants to make her own wand.
Shut the fuck up, Michael.
There's so many things in Disney I've never done.
They got a secret menu at Disney. I want to try butterbeer when we go to Universal Studios.
Michael, trust me, it don't got alcohol in it.
I
I
know.
want to try it too.
They have one with alcohol.
Oh. I I'll be 21 then.
They was like, why you ain't got to rub it in my face?
I don't need it.
Okay, Michael, we'll buy you one.
I don't want one.
We'll buy you a non-alcoholic Bedford.
I'll get me a butter beer.
We have straight beer.
No, babe.
so pretty.
I know.
You don't need
You
that.
gotta learn to drink young.
Babe.
That
no,
way,
you don't.
by the time he's 21,
I did that.
he can be
So
experienced.
twinkly. Oh, these are kind of coming back down to earth.
I know this one.
Scratch back, rub back on my leg. Feel like there's something crawling on my leg. Might have been a hair.
Can y'all do a Mickey Mouse face for y'all's grand finale?
What are you doing? Let's see the fireworks, Mommy.
I swear, this is the finale. This sucks.
Chloe.
Flowers,
Shut up.
flowers.
Boy, they usually last about an hour, so it's okay. That was right.
I don't know, but it feels like fucking ants flying around.
Not for me.
I mean, I hope you ain't got ants. Maybe crabs, but
I'm
not
gonna
ants.
break your ass and keep going.
She got crusty crabs.
Welcome to the Krusty Krab. How may I help your order?
Oh, this is definitely going on
You're gonna be
YouTube.
finding yourself on that couch tonight. Is what you're gonna be finding yourself. Yeah.
I think I see Fifth Island's fireworks.
So, whose name's on the lease first?
Me?
Now, that'd be definitely Carl Uline. So that means Chloe Uline will be sleeping on the couch before Demmer does.
My name's not gonna go on the lease
What,
when we
did you
move.
say Demmer?
I did.
Demmer?
Demmer,
I kind of
Demmer.
like that. So Demmer.
Hey, where you going?
Demmer.
Jimmy.
Oh, thank you.
Sticker.
You can see
My
my
name should
dick.
be on.
Nah,
Wait a minute.
I'm good.
I'm moving past Papa. Wait a minute.
I'm
You?
not old enough to be on the lease.
Sorry.
Because my face is right
Yeah.
there.
Maybe later.
I'm not old enough to be on the lease.
I am. The
I got down my
landlord won't
foot.
let me.
Papa, you'll be 24 when we move.
She'll turn 24, Michael, when we go to Florida in October.
If you go to sleep on this damn floor, I'm going to give you that
On this floor?
Dutch
Where's she
oven
say?
tonight if you try.
Okay.
I hope you.
Where do you see a floor at?
We've got the whole week.
Floor?
I see
There ain't
the
no floor,
I
that's
see the
grass.
ground.
Okay, the ground. You're going
Before we leave.
to find yourself on
You
that
got
couch.
the whole world.
So, if you ever pass out drunk on the ground, Chloe, I'm leaving you right where you're at.
Vehicle on the 17th.
You almost
Right?
made me die today.
What?
The 17th is when we get in the vehicle.
Yes. And then
you
you're
almost
bring
made me die.
and then you're bringing it.
As long as I get to do something with you for your birthday. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, we'll go to eat or something like that.
Like the 18th, that morning, we're leaving at like 7 o'clock in the morning.
I'm missing
The day that you-
day.
I said, we can, I was like, we can go to dinner or something like that. She was like, that's fine.
I'll be missing school 2
She
days.
was like, so when are y'all leaving? I said, we're leaving Friday morning. She said, okay, so you're going to stay with them Thursday night? I said, yeah. I said, if
Then
I
we're
have
gonna
to
come
work
over
on
and stay
I said,
Thursday.
I'll just have them pick me up from work.
I
I
won't
said,
question.
stay with them Thursday
In
night.
what,
and just
October?
have all my stuff ready.
Of course.
Well, we moving around our way to
Then
Florida.
I'll just bring my
Who am I
stuff
riding with?
It's Saturday,
us.
Sunday, Monday.
that we're
Don't worry
loading
about it
up,
right now.
we're loading up the van
Yes,
Thursday night.
that night.
What if I was riding with Dad?
We
I
don't
gotta
need
make sure I
No.
pack
different
everything.
suitcases.
Right.
Motherfucker, we're all riding together.
So I said,
When we
It's
move.
not talking about when we actually move.
my stuff ready.
You're riding with Dad. Mom's still established.
No, he's not.
Most of my
I'm
stuff
gonna have
is
this
still
fucking
at
2
house.
dogs with me.
Yeah.
So-
No, him and Pat Pat's gonna be with me.
Yay!
Me and
I
Chloe's
don't know if I'm
gonna
gonna
be
put him up front or
No,
Pat
something
Pat up
like Pat.
front.
Pat, Pat.
Because one of them will have to skip back and keep her occupied.
I mean, even if we have to stop on the way, we can switch out.
Yeah. You see the fireworks, Mommy?
Yeah, I like these
This
Mimi.
is your first 4th of July. Mimi, big girl. Yeah.
Is that a rainbow?
You wish.
We can switch
Well,
out.
we're gonna have to stop a few times because of the dogs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have
Saying
to
we
pee.
can switch out.
Dad's gonna have to take them out and let them use the bathroom.
I already know the morning when we leave, Dad's gonna be stopping for Dunkin'.
Hell yeah.
You lay over there and go to sleep.
Hell
We
yeah.
don't got time to stop at Dunkin'. We need to get on the road.
Please shut the hell up.
You act like you don't want
Frozen
that.
chocolate.
I do. I really do. I haven't had it in a
She
while.
wants
Get me
Dunkin'
a
Nuts.
Frozen chocolate.
You know,
Hey, this floor is dirty.
It's just grass.
You got
Well,
the
she'll be
whole.
over a year old. Says like right now taking a trip with her, like in October is going to be an interesting trip.
Why?
Yeah.
Because up until after they're a year old, they said that they don't travel good.
Oh shit.
We'll have 2 people in the back talking to her.
4.
No, 2 people in the back.
To be honest,
That wants to turn around and talk to her.
this grass fucking itches.
It's 'cause there's
Motherfucker, we
ants in
talking
the
about
grass.
the damn trip. You talking about grass itching.
Then
Hey, your
we
hat's
might
over there.
get- Then
I
we
don't
might
give a
get
fuck
ants
about
in your
that.
pants.
Where the hell you
Shallow over
going?
there.
Where?
Where are
Where
you
you
going?
going?
It's right there in plain sight.
Motherfucker is dark.
So Delmer,
So, Michael, watch the fireworks.
We're gonna hear Chloe hollering.
Then you're gonna hear Delmer scream, "It's okay."
no, then we're gonna get Delmer
I
scream.
got this.
We're gonna get Delmer scream. Oh shoot, she bit it.
You see them?
Yeah, that's definitely going on YouTube also.
Delmer like one Chloe not to bite it.
I'll be too worried about biting. I'd be more worried about the buttholes clenching.
I'm being a quitter. I'm not
I
hitting
know,
the
gotta get her and
shitter.
give her a shower.
That's definitely going on YouTube.
oh my god.
I'm gonna be waiting for the comment. Yeah, don't be a quitter.
Hit her in the shitter.
Michael just farted.
Where's my cup?
Long let me sleep.
Playing with the little man on the boat.
She ain't watching the fireworks. She's playing on her phone.
Little man on the boat.
Feel me. Where you going?
Oh, that was perfect. And I've been recording the whole time.
Hey!
Dad, you're gonna have an hour-long
Mouth
video
shut until the
recording.
fireworks over.
Oh,
Alright, you gotta stop.
I sat there and said, she's playing with the little man on the boat. All you hear is, can I play with it?
Just shush. Shush for the rest of the
You can't have
fireworks.
none of the
No, Dad wants to play with the maracas.
Yes, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Whoa.
Call him a ma'am, babe.
He was talking to you, you fucking special needs.
You can't have no soda.
I was
Did you have
definitely talking
anything else
to you.
either? I said that drink.
I mean, and how do you not know what Michael identifies as?
Because I used to change him, Daddy.
Okay. There's plenty of men nowadays identifying as triangles.
Ow!
What?
Now.
You just fucking elbowed me in my
I didn't
leg.
say he was.
Now's your
I'm
chance.
so
He better identify as a
sorry.
goddamn man.
Delmer,
Because
now's
your
your
papa
chance.
gets
It's
killed.
dark. You can play with them.
Hey, Jimmy. You slide your hand around on the grass to the front.
Pull. Slide around the front and go up.
Maracas.
Like on that movie Fear on the roller coaster.
We didn't talk about the maracas. Let's talk about something else, but okay.
I know that.
Go for the maracas.
I know what you're talking about.
I would have hide it in the dark cave.
You can go for the maracas too.
Why are you covering the maracas?
Hey, Miranda's
Maracas.
battery's only at 10%.
Maracas.
Miranda and them goes over downtown and sits.
How the hell do they see those downtown?
They go down where
Port
the.
Royal.
Oh, downtown Port Royal.
Yeah.
Chloe, I will drown you. How long do you think before the bubbles stop?
No, you
Probably
won't.
a good, like,
Wait, last year they
You
went
will not
downtown
drown her.
Beaufort.
Why?
Because
It'll just make you a necrophiliac.
no, I'll take
I remember that because I came home.
It would just make you a
and he's on the
necrophiliac.
slide.
Just means you'd be fucking a dead person.
Nigga, what?
That's,
Probably hear Hank and them.
this is going on
Right.
you too.
Ain't we gotta worry about Patch this year.
Oh, I guarantee you he's flipping the fuck out right now.
He's shaking like, God damn, I can't say it.
A little queer dog.
Michael! I almost called him that.
Come and get her. Her dancing
Oh,
like a
shit.
stripper.
I took the words right out of that mouth.
So that means you said it, not me. So that means I won't get in trouble.
Let's see what's happened tonight. Dad tried to kill me.
Kill who?
Me.
No, I didn't.
No, we didn't.
Yes, I did.
How?
When?
Everclear.
No.
I told her not to sip it.
She
She
sipped
sipped it.
And she
At
didn't
least never
drown.
went bottoms
She
up
didn't
at
down
least.
it like how I did.
Next time, you better get 2 shots of that shit.
I was gonna say, next time he's gonna take a double shot.
Hell no.
Okay, we'll do that when we get home.
Hell
Yep.
no.
Yeah.
Nope.
Chloe better pick tails this time.
I ain't taking shit when I get home.
Yeah.
Pussy.
Well, I mean, if you gotta take a poop, I would do that when I get home. Holding it all night could resolve in
Diarrhea.
no, not diarrhea,
I don't know, but
erectile dysfunction.
I know I got
I do gotta take a piss.
Dysfunction, not defunction.
No, dysfunction.
Well, let's get out.
It's the function.
Go to that
I see
tree
more
right there.
fireworks.
Can you hold it for me?
No, babe, I'm not.
So you gotta hold it and shake it.
No.
That a heel.
What tree?
Tree.
Hey, I don't see no tree.
Have you ever thought about
Damn,
moving to the
they just
mountains?
cleared that area over there.
Ask that if you ever tried to move. Ask that
They
if you
just
ever
secured that area.
thought about moving to the mountains.
Yeah. I know I got video.
Chloe.
Delmer, did you ever live in Tennessee?
Yeah, I was born. in
Chloe,
Tennessee.
your mother didn't blow fucking glass.
Chloe.
People are really
I was born in Tennessee,
what's
Michael.
wrong with our family.
Babe, what are you doing?
Dad's
What do you
channel.
mean when
That's alright.
Why are you laying on
If
the
I
floor?
wonder what's wrong with that
There's a
whip.
lot wrong with our
Because he's intoxicated.
There's a lot wrong with our family. I can answer that.
They probably already
Quick answer.
wonder what's wrong with Dad on YouTube because of what he posted on YouTube
Damn.
with him and Julius.
Poor Demi.
Poor Demi is right.
There's a lot wrong with our family.
We all got mental health.
Mental's not
I
the
put
word.
that on last semester. You good?
Okay, we all got OCD.
Bro, I am not ready for work, man.
Why not? You get free ice cream.
You should take a mental
Fuck
day.
the free ice cream.
Sorry, baby.
How are you gonna do that?
Where are you going?
Yeah, fine.
It's calm coming over here to our daughter.
Pretty sure it's gonna melt.
See, there's this thing called.
What?
Think of this.
He said fuck the free ice cream. How are you gonna do that? I'm pretty sure it's gonna melt.
It's okay then. It means it makes
ain't
it
even
lubricant.
free. I gotta pay for it. It's like $4.
$4 for an ice cream?
Yeah.
I don't want no ice cream then.
That one you've been
But
drinking out
hey,
here by this
that
water.
shit's good though.
No, I'm just gonna
Oh man, I
stay
thought I
right
heard
here.
ice cream
No,
truck
you
music.
follow me. Over here behind Pat Pat.
That was his shoulder. It's okay. Ooh. You trying to play with my butt?
You want to know something really funny?
She tried
No.
to.
This is the last fireworks we'll see in South Carolina.
You're
She
right.
tried to play with my
Well,
booty.
New Year's.
Your girlfriend's trying to play with my ass.
They don't do fireworks here in New Year's.
What?
She's trying to play with my ass. This motherfucker's about to go tumbling down in the water.
I know he walked really close to the water there.
How about we?
It's alright, I was videotaping, so if you fell in,
That
it's all
would've
going
gotten-
on YouTube.
That would have gotten millions of views then.
Your butthole's itching?
Look, I'm taking a picture of you.
Look at the twinkly
Take a
stars.
picture of her and my grandbaby.
Dad, I have a question. Where can we find a tree that has coconut we can get?
A coconut tree? You fucking
No,
special
like what
needs.
state?
Where they have coconut trees?
Hawaii, Bahamas. I do want to go to the Bahamas. I want to swim with pigs.
You want to swim with pigs?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
There's a place in the Bahamas you can swim with pigs.
Oh, I'm good.
And dolphins.
You can do that at any beach.
That looks like a mushroom.
Are you you seeing shrooms?
Maybe. I'm gonna
Are
head
you
out
seeing
soon
pink
'cause she's
elephants?
getting tired and she needs a shower.
Okay.
No.
Pink elephants real.
Kelly.
Yep.
Kelly.
Are pink turkeys real?
Okay.
Hi, princess.
They're very much.
Thank you for picking that up for him, Michael.
Yeah.
I was actually going to come back over there.
Now let your country hang out. Kind of like your flag
I
fly.
look like Saturn.
Are you sure they look like Uranus?
What is the red, white, and blue ones that you have?
Sold them for crack.
They weren't that big.
That's what she said.
Okay. What country is it where they do bull riding? Spain.
No, that's called running with the bull special needs.
Ole.
Why are you trying to ride this?
What are you doing?
Giddy up, person. Yeah.
I know, baby.
Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
I know, baby. Come on. Wanna go home, get a shower? She popped up when I said shower.